Do you think we travel because we want to see places we thought would never exist? Or because we already somehow knew they exist in our hearts? You don't travel to places because you want to see them. You travel because they're calling you. During the last week, I visited for the 20th time one of the most beautiful regions in Brazil. Everything here, the locals, the landscapes, and the beautiful waters of the Atlantic coast are astonishing.
The first time I met the ocean was here. And since then, I come every year to reconnect my soul with these waters. And it's an even best experience when you have friends to make memories with. You know, in the end, it doesn't matter where you go, as long as you connected and filled with good energies. You don't travel to see the ocean. The ocean calls you to teach you how to be humble, even when you're big. You don't go to the waterfalls just to see them. They call you to show you how it's like to be away of the city lights and pollution. So what are you waiting for?